Hey guys, this is Ken Furukawa, your lead magnet authority. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a high converting squeeze page quickly, much like the one you see right here. This is a two-step opt-in form. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this, and it's very, very easy. And I'm going to also talk about a tool that I'm using that does everything for me, from content creation, because we know creating the content for your lead magnet can be a pain. Also, the lead capture form, which a lot of us integrate third-party tools, okay, and conversion tracking to determine how well your lead magnet does. And all of those features are included in this one tool that I'm currently using, and it's called LeadCreator. And if you guys stick with me, I'm going to share with you how you can take advantage of a massive lifetime discount. So let me show you guys how I created this and why it is so important. We're going to talk about some of the features of this tool, LeadCreator, and why it's going to revolutionize how you build your email list. Because as we know, building an email list is the best way to, number one, build an asset that you control, but also to promote products and services to your list and generate additional commissions. All right. So how did I create this? Well, first of all, let's just talk about what squeeze pages typically look like. I'm going to share one with you. This is the one that I have. And so this is what a lot of you guys probably end up using, right? You guys have a page that has a title on it, a subtitle. It has an opt-in form, or the email address form where you can enter in their email address, has a GDPR box and a call to action button. This is the typical squeeze page. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm using this right now. And if you guys want to sign up for my 100 high impact headline templates, then go for it. Okay. Then you guys can sign up and go through that experience of what this looks like. Now, with this form right here though, what's different is that when you look at this, there is no indication of what these templates look like. There is none. Okay. But with this one, you have access to read part of the lead magnet. And what this does is, and I know some of you guys are probably rolling your eyes thinking, but I don't want to give away my lead magnet. They have to give me their email address in order to do so. Well, by providing people with value up front, you're not giving access to all of this. I'm providing you with a little bit of value so you can see what I'm trying to communicate with you and how valuable it is. And by doing so, and by you seeing that, hey, I can't get access to this, I need to fill in my information. That is how I build the relationship before you even give me the email address. Okay. And I'm going to talk about a feature within LeadCreator that is going to ensure that you get a legitimate email address. Because let's face it, how many of you guys have come to landing pages, maybe even one like mine, and you enter in your secondary or your tertiary email address, the one that you use to opt in to get freebies, right? I know a lot of you guys do that. Some people don't, but again, some people do. Some people go to websites that provide you with temporary email addresses so that you can get access to the lead magnet. By the way, mine is a two-step as well. So if you guys were to provide me with a fake email address, what will happen is you have to check your email inbox anyway in order to get access to the lead magnet. All right. But I'm going to share with you a feature that is built into LeadCreator that will eliminate that altogether. So let's go in and start creating this high converting squeeze page. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go inside of LeadCreator. As you can see, I've already created the lead magnet. It's already here. Okay, it's already been formatted, and I'm not going to give you a tutorial on how to create one. If you guys are interested, then you guys can go ahead and check out LeadCreator, because I do have a full-blown tutorial on how I can create a lead magnet. All right, so it's very quick, by the way. So now that you see this here, this is all created in AI. Okay, so it does all the heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is format it, and then you're done. Then I'm going to come to the email capture page. This is where I follow 4 simple steps in order to create this squeeze page. Okay, so let's go back in here. And let's take a look at the 4 steps. Step number 1 is the template. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different templates. Well, actually 4 templates and one that's no email capture form. I'll talk about that. But the first one is your standard opt-in form, right? This is their standard squeeze page. This is something that we're all familiar with. Then you've got the ebook style where you can add in an image. Okay, let's say you are giving away an ebook. You add in an image here, and here is your opt-in form. Then here's the blurred button. This is the one that I'm using currently, the one that you're looking at right now. Okay, this is the blurred in form. Okay, the blurred button, I should say. And then there's also the video template right here where you can add in a video. This is going to help further build trust with your potential subscriber, and you can add a little bit more information if you want about your lead magnet. The last one is not a template. It's basically no email capture form. So I would only use this if I already had an email list and I wanted to provide them with some extra value. Then I can create my lead magnet, not add in an opt-in form, and I can provide them with a link to the lead magnet, and off to the races they go. Okay. But in this case, because we want a high converting lead magnet or high converting squeeze page, I should say, we're going to go with the blurred button. So you can see right here. And so once you've chosen blurred button, then we move on to step number 2, which is your form field. So this is where you're going to add in your title right here. Right? It says stop leaving leads on the table. You can see right here, this is a preview of that. So if I added in more information, let's say I added in an exclamation point, you can see the preview as you build your squeeze page. Okay. Maximize your lead magnet's impact. This is the subtitle. This is bolded. All right. So it's always bolded. And so you want to make sure that this is kind of like a CTA, like a call to action. Right. And lastly is the button text right here. Mine says unlock the strategy. You know, obviously you're going to add in your text in here as well. And then the second part is the lead capture form. This is step 2 right here. So I've added in a title, access your free trust building lead magnet blueprint, privacy policy. If you don't have a privacy policy, then LeadCreator does have a standard one that you can use, okay, until you get your privacy policy done. Then right over here, the URL will be propagated for you, as well as you're going to just change this and add in the URL for your business, add in your button label. Make sure that you save everything, okay? So everything is saved right here. Then next, you have the styles, so you can change the position for the header text, the button background color, and the button text color. I've already changed these already, so I'm going to leave them as is. But again, if you want to, you can change it to whatever color you want. Okay, you just drag it to the color that you want. You can do the same with the button text. Then lastly is the trigger. So there are 3 triggers that you can choose from. The blur timer, which allows you to determine the number of seconds before LeadCreator blurs out your entire lead magnet and the step 1 shows up. Okay. There's also the half page blur. That is what you saw in my example here. This is a half page blur. Okay. I like this because, and I'm hoping you guys can see the value in this, because I'm showing them, I'm letting them get a taste of my lead magnet to see that this is quality. And by doing so, you know, I want to build that trust right away so that they give me their real email address. All right. So that's the half page blur. And the last one is on mouse scroll. So you guys know what this one's all about. When you land on a page and you scroll down a little bit, all of a sudden everything gets blurred out and the pop-up appears and you have to give your information in order to unlock it. Okay, that's what the mouse scroll is. I'm going to leave it on half page blur and I'm going to save the changes right there. Okay. And then LeadCreator integrates with any number of email autoresponders. Okay, you can see a whole list of them here. If you don't see yours here, there's a tutorial where you can utilize Zapier, Pabbly, and Make.com in order to utilize webhooks to integrate your preferred autoresponder. Then there's some social sliders. I'll go over this real quick here. This is one where you have this little pop-ups. I know you guys have seen this before as well, where there's a little pop-up in the bottom corner when somebody takes action, right, to show you that something's happening. There's also an expiring URL. And this, of course, gives the URL a deadline, okay, before the lead magnet is taken away. This creates a little bit a sense of urgency, right? The last one right here is a scarcity maker, where you only allow a specific amount of downloads, okay? So those are 3 other ways that you can create that high converting squeeze page. But let's go and move on here into the settings. This is where, you can give it a slug here. So I call this trust building asset. The domain, I created a custom domain. You can see there's the default one right here for LeadCreator. I'm using my own custom domain, and I have a referral link because I am an affiliate for LeadCreator. So if you guys decide that you want to sign up for LeadCreator, you see value in LeadCreator, then of course I get a commission. It's at no additional cost to you guys. Okay, so please understand that. And I do have, again, a massive discount to offer you guys, a lifetime discount, I should say, off the LeadCreator Ultra plan, which is the highest plan available to you. So there's also the ability to add in scripts and tracking, footer links, which I've done. So if you do have a website and you have a privacy policy, an affiliate disclaimer, and terms and conditions, add those in. Okay, you can even change the background of the lead magnet of the page color itself, and you can even add in a shadow color. Okay, the main thing is that you save everything, right? So when we go back to our lead magnet here, all I got to do is publish it. Right now it says update published version because I've been working on it. So I just need to update it. Okay, so now it's updated successfully. And then now I can view it. So let me just show you what it looks like. I'm going to open this up in an incognito window. And you can see right away this opens up. If they want to get access to it, they have to click on that button, provide their information, so their name, and then add in their email address. So I'm going to add in my email address in here. I'm going to click on the GDPR box right here, and I'm going to go and say, yes, I want it. So once I do that, you can see that it is now unlocked. They have full access to their lead magnet. Now, I kind of want to circle back because I had mentioned to you that in some instances, not very many, but in some instances, people like to leave a fake email address. And this poses a problem, right? Because you're going to start emailing them, and next thing you know, they're not responding. And this hurts your open rates, your deliverability rates, and this just affects your overall score for your landing page. And you don't want that happening, okay? So what LeadCreator has built in to its software is the ability to determine whether or not the email address that the person is providing you is legitimate or not. And enter in my name. I'm going to enter in a fake email address here. In fact, I'm just going to call it, and I'm going to actually misspell Gmail. So I'm going to leave out the L and I'm going to call it gmy.com. I'm going to click on the GDPR box and I'm going to access the lead magnet. And what it does is it says, please enter a valid email address. So in order for them to get access to the lead magnet, they have to enter in a legitimate email address. Okay, so that is one of the features that is very, very powerful that's built into LeadCreator that's going to help you to vet those email addresses so that you have legitimate email addresses. So now, guys, I want to talk to you about the special discount, lifetime discount that I have that you absolutely must take advantage of today. So let me just share that with you. So when you guys click on the link in the description below, it's going to bring you to this page where you are going to be able to lock in an insane $60 per month off for life on the LeadCreator Ultra plan. You can see the code right here. But most importantly, this is a video right here. And if you guys are interested in watching a tutorial about LeadCreator, I put one together. I'll be updating this on a regular basis. But again, you guys can get access to LeadCreator's top tier plan, the Ultra plan, for $60 per month off. Okay, this is for the lifetime of the plan. All you have to do is click on this button right here. Make sure you log down this code right here. It's going to take you to this page right here. So after you've watched my video, you can come here. You can see $60 per month discount available on this page. You can watch a video from the co-founder, Philip Barman, and then you can apply the coupon code from the previous page. Now, when you guys are ready, I just want to show you what you're getting here. Okay, this is the Ultra plan. It is the top tier plan where you get access to everything. Okay, normally it's $97 per month, but with my $60 off per month for life discount, you can get it for $37 per month. So this is a very, very massive discount. You're getting $60 off per month and you're getting access to all of the features within LeadCreator. So guys, if you're interested in having a tool that can help you create the content for your lead magnet, it's going to help you to develop the squeeze page, as you guys saw. And if you want to be able to track the conversions for your lead magnet, then this is a no-brainer. This is something that you should take advantage of. It's a tool that I use in my business, and it has made a world of a difference because I always struggled with creating a lead magnet. I always struggled connecting the different technologies together. So creating a lead magnet, connecting it with my autoresponder, delivering the lead magnet, all of that. Everything is under one roof. So all you have to do is worry about creating a lead magnet, which LeadCreator makes it very simple to do. So guys, I hope you found this video to be helpful. I hope you learned how you can create a high converting squeeze page quickly using my favorite tool, LeadCreator. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Cheers.